So if your reminders in Google Tasks aren't working in 2026, yeah, it can be really annoying. You set everything up, but nothing pops up when it should. Let's fix it step by step. First, open the task and make sure you actually set both a due date and a time. Without a time, reminders often won't trigger properly. Next, check your device notifications. If notifications are turned off, Google Tasks can't show reminders at all, no matter what settings you use. Now make sure Google Tasks is properly synced with Google Calendar. This is where most reminders are actually triggered from. Next, check you're logged into the same Google account everywhere. If reminders are set on one account, but you're viewing another, they won't show. Here's something people miss. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. It can block all reminders silently. Now restart your browser or app and manually refresh Google Tasks. This forces reminders and tasks to sync again. Make sure your Google app, calendar, or browser is fully updated. Older versions can break reminder notifications without warning. If nothing works, clear your cache. Corrupted data can stop reminders from triggering properly even when everything else looks fine. And that's it. Once you fix these settings, Google Tasks reminders should start working normally again across all your devices.